Nothing can prepare you when a sea of hungry kids come charging towards you.
Come on, guys, grab as much as you want.
What are you guys looking for? You guys looking for Asian or Western? Asian, okay, this line.
Come on, get some fried chicken.
We have Korean-style fried chicken wings, Thai-style prawns, beef brisket, stir-fried vegetables. The faster we move, the more people can eat our food, and hopefully they like enough to vote for us.
You want rice?
Steak with fries.
Today our menu is steak and fries, lamb shank with pasta, with corn and avocado salsa, roast vegetable salad, and herby mushroom stir fry. It's kids, they love Western food. It's an easy win.
Hey guys, are you hungry? All right, chop chop.
And this one I put inside for you. Easier to stir the sauce. Serve that sauce for the steak.
Seeing the long queue behind me, my mom was like, take, chop, pass, take, chop, pass.
You can grab some more over there.
Oh my god.
How's the food?
My favorite is between the prawns and the beef brisket.
I find it very interesting. All of you have got local.
Because it's the shortest queue.
Oh dear, that's not a
We're
good
going back to the
answer.
red later.
No, you
but
should.
Yeah,
You should.
We're
You
trying
should.
both for sure.
Can you look up and can you see the lines? Your queue here is visibly shorter than the other teams over there.
I see the blue team, you know, the line is really huge, the line's really long, and then I turn to the red team, oh man, this is longer.
Guys, hungry over there. Come on over, let's see.
This line is moving faster. Yeah, come on.
Time to do my thing.
Why are we waiting? Why are we waiting? Just go next to the blue team! Woo! Come on, kids! Yay! Thank you!
Steak and fries and lamb shank. Come, red team, red team. Which one you want? Yeah, our future sportsman, it's a great honor. You ready? Enjoy your meal. Guys, this is the red team. This is their seared steak and chips.
I think it's the way they cut it. Nicholas cut straight down.
That's right.
He could have cut it at a 45-degree angle to make the meat
Absolutely.
fibers shorter.
Absolutely.
The steak is a bit hard, but it's fine. The fries are good, the vegetables are nice.
Yeon-Yoon and I went into the kitchen before and we were looking at that lamb.
Yes.
But let's give it a go. It's actually looking
How good
all
does
right.
that look
I
right
know,
now, yeah?
I know. It's beautiful. Wow.
Yeah.
That is so tasty.
The lamb is very tender as well.
It's probably the most delicious thing on this
Yeah,
plate.
definitely.
I like the sauce and the pastas nicely cooked.
Let's try the blue teams. I'm gonna go for the meat first. Chinese brisket first. Whoa,
Tough,
that's a
man.
bit tough.
A lot of flavor.
I tried the beef from the blue team and it has a very strong, weird taste. I don't like it.
Shall we move on to the chicken wings?
So you can have that.
Okay, I will. And I'm gonna use my fingers. Wow,
When you flavor chicken well, right?
oh my God.
When you bite on the bone, you extract all the juices.
Chicken wings, children, match made in heaven.
Chicken wings, overgrown kid, match made in heaven as well.
The sauce in the chicken tastes very awesome.
How are the kids gonna vote?
Okay, walk faster. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. You want to
Amazing.
wait or do you want to eat?
For this challenge,
The chicken wings is the obvious seller. Then, of course, we want to focus on that.
We're running out already.
and then we realized that, okay, we have not enough.
We shouldn't have given out the double wings, man.
The kids are queuing for Korean fried chicken. They're gonna feel bad and they may not vote for us in the end.
I'll go tell Sandra. Take care of this.
I'm going to run back and try to chunk out some of these wings.
We've got more chicken wings coming up, guys!
With wings, you can't really speed things up because you need to cook them through, right?
Go, 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 go. Oh, let's go for the flames, man. Go for it. Let's pump it up.
How long more for chicken? Handsome Coco will be out in maybe 15 minutes.
We got extra meat here. Anybody want lamb shank?
When the rating start to roll higher, I was so energy coming up, pumping up, and serve them faster. To gain more votes.
Thank you, enjoy yourself. You're coming for second helping, third helping. Wow, I think we did it right.
More wings, guys, more wings!
I went out with these wings, these kids will just erupt into cheers. Let's hope we get more votes.
And looking at the blue side, they still have chicken wings to serve.
Faster, faster, serve faster.
No more already.
While we are having to stop already.
Hey, Sharon, cook sambal steak.
The kids really love our steak, so we have some thick slices that hasn't cooked through. So I'm slicing it and cooking it through for the kids.
If not, I will have nothing for everybody.
We run out of pasta already.
1 minute.
All right, blue team, red team, 5 minutes till the end of service. There's still people in your queues. Make sure everyone is fed, okay?
The last of our steak.
Okay. Chong, last 5 minutes. Go, 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 move.
I voted for the red team because I think their spaghetti and their sauce is nice. Also, I like the meat.
I voted for the blue team because the chicken wings was very juicy and the sweet and sour sauce was a very good combination.
The kitchen has run out of chicken wings, so if you want it, come and get it now. This is the last chance you're gonna have it, right? The last chance.
In the end, it's not that we want to stop, but the pantry ran out of wings.
Confidence I have in my team. With the food I have, yes, but unable to judge the students. You call them the little monster.
If the kids' reaction was any clue to go by, I think we did a good job and I really think we might win this.